much. Oh my god. Anastasia hat. You're my name on it. I was sad, but then I bought something online. I feel better now. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I love this phone case so much. As you can see, I love pink stripes. Yeah, I can't wait to wear this. To put it on my phone. So now I have two phone cases from Kissmwah. This came today. This is Anastasia. I personalized this doll. I did it like that with heels, jean, this LV bag. It's so cute. And this is with my name. And Andrea surprised me with Pandora jewelry box and Pandora bracelet and Pandora charms. I will show you the charms of the bracelet. So I already did it. How cute is that? And you can take this off. There's a mirror, some extra parts, and this thing, and you can put things inside. I love this. It's so cute. Stunning. If you remember from my 19th birthday, he got me the Pandora bracelet, the Disney edition, and this is gonna be all about Disney. I will have a picture there. And now he got me this. I will have also a picture because I cannot show you. It's a galaxy. You can see the stars as well. And he bought another charm, luggage bag, passport, airplane, about our travels. And the other one, it's gonna be all about Disneyland. I know, he's the best. So it's the time to pack for London. I'm gonna do also some TikTok so you can see if you want like the fast version on TikTok. I uploaded that probably. So yeah, this is the bag. Finally, it's the time. I'm gonna use this luggage bag from Victoria's Secret. Oh my god, I can't believe that I'm gonna use this. So I have all the things like ready, kind of, not 100%. I need to fit them in the bag and see what I really need and what I don't. So we're gonna do this together. So let's start. Okay, let's start with the outfits first. I already found the outfits that I want, so that's good. So I found other clothes. I put them there. So I'm gonna show you the outfits. I'm gonna stay 4 days in London, so I need 4 outfits. I bought, if you saw my last few vlogs, I bought the fleece tights. That they're tights, but they're like fluffy inside, so they keep you warm and they look like tights. So I got these. This is in the brown color. They're upside down, by the way. This is brown color and this is a black one. So yeah, I'm gonna take those two as tights. So 100% I need those. So I have in my mind 4 outfits. So the first outfit I think is gonna be this short with the black tights. I think I'm just gonna wear this sweater that, as you can see, is kind of cropping the shoulder. So I think I'm gonna wear this with the black, and I imagine it also with this blazer. So it's gonna look like that. I think it's gonna be nice. You're gonna saw all the outfits on my Instagram 100%. So I think this is gonna be outfit day 1. Yeah, this is gonna be outfit day 1. So this is yes. Let's put it in and we figure it out later. Also this. So okay, and this. So the second outfit is one of my favorite outfits. I'm gonna wear this pants over there from Zara, and I think underneath I'm gonna put one of the tights there. So yeah, so I think this one, and I want to wear the sweater the same with the day 1, and I want to wear on top this sleeveless sweater, knitted sweater from H&M. So this is gonna be so, I don't know, so cozy, so wintry vibe. Very in trend this color this winter, so I can't wait to wear them. So also yes. Okay, day 3. Okay, day 3 I also is one of my favorite. I'm gonna wear this set, this tweed set. 1, 2. Yes. So inside, because I'm gonna freeze, I'm gonna wear this turtleneck inside. So I'm gonna do like layering. So turtleneck inside and also black tights. Same with them. It's underneath. So I'm gonna be so warm. Don't worry. And also I'm gonna wear my black high knee boots. And I'm thinking for one accessory. I have so many accessories. So this gonna be with this outfit. It's very London. I love this. So with this outfit, I think I'm gonna wear this bow on my hair. How cute. And the first day outfit, the leather type one, I'm gonna wear this. So I have a lot of outfits to wear. Also with this outfit, I think I'm gonna wear also my Michael Kors scarf. So we're gonna figure out the accessories later. So yeah, this is day 3. This is another outfit that I'm gonna wear. It's like a dress. It looks like skirt and like hoodie, but it's like together. And also I'm gonna wear my tights, and I don't know if I'm gonna wear high knee boots or sneakers. So yeah, this is gonna be my last outfit. I think this is the one that I'm gonna wear like when we're gonna go there. So yes, I found the outfits, and I have 3 tops that are very warm, and I'm thinking to take them to wear them underneath. So I have this is very warm, this is very warm also, and the black very warm, so like thermals. So I think I'm gonna get this as well, but I think I'm really covered with them, so I'm not gonna take those 3. Okay, we're somewhere, we have plenty of space, and I think I'm almost done. I need to put only this and this, so that's good. I put in all the clothes, so I'm covered. I have space there for accessories, shoes, and whatever. So I'm not gonna get this with me, and neither this. I just took this that goes with everything. It's beige. So I double checked, and I have everything in here. You know what? Doesn't have a lot of space, but it's deep. You see how many clothes? I need to put my PJs as well, so I'm gonna put them there. And also the tights. So this is where I'm gonna put my underwears in this Victoria's Secret bag. Like that. I finished the whole clothes. I put also my PJs, and I'm trying to find out the underwears. Take with me this Victoria's Secret sparkly one. And this, I really like this. So yeah, I'm gonna put them all in. Put them in, everything's okay. So now I'm gonna do my toiletries. The one I'm gonna put my makeup, and the other one I'm just gonna put my skincare. This is my makeup bag, so let's see what I need actually to take with me. So 100% my setting spray, 100% my setting spray. I think this is a makeup palette that for eyeshadows that I'm gonna take with me. Let me show you. Oh, beautiful shades from Charlotte Tilbury. This is a Walk of No Shame, I think. So yeah. Also, I need my Charlotte Tilbury concealer. I need the foundation from Charlotte Tilbury 100%, and the Pore Flawless filter. What else I need for full face makeup? My brow definer from Anastasia, my mascara, blush. I need this powder, highlighter. Shall I take my cream bronzer or my powder bronzer? Difficult. Also, I'm gonna take, I feel bad because I'm making mess now to my makeup bag, whatever. Face shaver. Shall I get this, or I'm not gonna take this, or I'm gonna regret it. I don't know. I think I'm gonna go with this, only this, the powder. What lip product should I take with me? From Primark, the nude one. It's my fave. And also my pillow talk from Charlotte. I think, yes, this is what I'm gonna take with me. Charlotte Tilbury pillow talk. I'm not gonna take any lip gloss because I think we're gonna wear masks. So yeah, makeup is packed. Really hope I get everything with me. I'm gonna take this with me. This is shower gel, the peppermint candy cane, because we're gonna go to London for Christmas. I think it's gonna be perfect. So I need this. I need moisturizer, serum, night serum, day serum, and the eye balm, face wash, hairbrush. Oh my god, a lot of things. So I packed my skincare, my makeup, perfect. I'm gonna put all the jewelry in there. The one with the pearls and also the gold, because I think it goes with all my outfits. And now for rings, I'm gonna get this one. and this one. Those two. I can bring my Tiffany one. I think it's gonna go nice with the. Just gonna put it in there. So I pack with me this. Actually, I'm done. So this is a book that I'm gonna take with me because it fits everything, and also it's like a side bag, so it's not like difficult to carry this around. Okay, so I'm gonna take with me this hat that I show you, the two bows. I got my Michael Kors gloves and scarf because it's gonna be cold actually. So yep, and this is what I'm gonna wear like to go, so they're not gonna be in here, but pretty much I packed everything. Also, I added the perfume I'm gonna wear, this one from Yves, the coconut, and some hair oil. So I put them there because I have no place to put them. So also this is my makeup brushes, so I'm fully done. We're leaving today, so today we're gonna do spa after the gym. I'm gonna do my eyebrows, I'm gonna put some hair mask on my hair, and tomorrow I'm gonna rinse the hair mask, so I'm gonna leave it overnight. So tomorrow I'm gonna wash my hair, and also I'm gonna style them so they're gonna be ready for the next day we're gonna leave. So I just had a shower. Sorry for the noise, it's my oven because we're cooking food. So we came from the gym, and now I'm gonna do this hair treatment to my hair so that I'm gonna be ready for the trip. So I'm gonna use this. If you saw my vlog, you know what is this. So this is the coconut oil formula with vitamin E from Pandora. It's one of the best. This is a protein pack, really good for your hair. So this is for deep conditioning. I saw a lot of results for this, like amazing length for my hair, and the color, they're shiny, very soft, silky. So this is for dry. This is what I have right now. My hair very dry, to be honest. Damage for the bleach, or color treated hair. So this is everything all about me. I'm wearing, by the way, my Christmas you can see my Christmas PJ. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna leave it overnight, and I'm gonna rinse it tomorrow. Inside is coconut oil, manoi oil, keratin protein, silk protein, coconut milk. The ingredients are shocked. Oh my god, it smells so good. I had the shampoo and the conditioner of this brand before, the coconut oil from Pandora, and to be honest, the conditioner was amazing, but the shampoo was very like oily because of the coconut. That's normal, I think. So look, perfect. I'm gonna start from my ends. So I just wake up, and oh my god, they're so hard. Look, they are so hard. I don't know, they feel like, oh my god, I really want to rinse this off. I can't even do this. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do my hair with. Number 4 first of Olaplex, a conditioner. I have Olaplex review. I will have a link down below. Number 4 Olaplex, then conditioner of Olaplex. First I'm gonna do shampoo, and then I'm gonna apply the Viv magic water only to my hands, massage, then remove, and then I'm gonna apply conditioner. So this is in between of the two. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna use. So that's my hair dryer, by the way. I never showed you that. It's from Mark Hill. Look, there is even a little crown there, and it's kind of pink. Look, yes, even that. Whatever. So the product that I'm gonna use is gonna be the TRESemmé heat protection, and the Mark Hill is a very like fast speed dryer. So I'm gonna show you in what temperature that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna apply this heat protection for TRESemmé. It protects up to 230 temperature, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go lower than the 230, so I'm sure. And also I'm gonna use number 6, and I'm gonna mix it with Olaplex number 7. This is also a heat protection up to 230, so that's good, more heat protection. And that's what I'm gonna use now. Tonight I'm gonna use, when my hair is gonna be dry, I'm gonna apply this to my ends, the super blow dry cream, before I'm gonna do my heatless curls method. I'm not gonna show you the heatless curls. I have a video only for that, so I'm gonna have it linked down below. But yeah, this is what I'm gonna apply to my ends when my hair is gonna be dry, and then I'm gonna do my heatless curls. So I completely dry my hair. Apply a little bit more Olaplex number 7 oil at the ends of my hair. That's why they look kind of wet, but they're not. And oh my god, my hair are normally curly. I think due to the treatment that I did, my hair have like keratin treatment. Like, why they're straight? Wow, I'm so impressed. So the heatless curls are gonna look so good tonight, tomorrow actually. So yeah, that was my hair care. This is what I do actually when I shower my hair. Depends when I'm gonna use Shea Moisturizer shampoo, hair mask, you know. But yeah, so that was the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoy my videos. So if you want to see how I do my heatless curls, like a heatless curls tutorial, I will have it linked down below. So that was the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope I was helpful enough for your hair care. I really hope you enjoy me packing to London. So be sure, like, London vlogs, they're coming. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell down below to help your girl to have a notification every time I upload videos on my lovely channel. Follow my Instagram because a lot of London photos and stories are coming, and my TikTok for girly TikToks. And you're gonna see my outfits, like I'm gonna make my outfits day 1, day 2, day 3, and day 4 on TikTok. And of course I'm gonna show you the London as well videos. So yeah, make sure to go follow me there. Bye!